Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about high blood pressure, what you can do on a regular basis to help with maintaining your high blood pressure, to lower your blood pressure, because high blood pressure is really a bad problem. If you've already been diagnosed with high blood pressure or hypertension, you need to make sure that you follow the advice the doctor has given you. This is really important, but also make sure to look at your diet, make sure to maintain a healthy, consistent exercise and diet routine, and just try to maintain a stress-free life, because stress plays a huge role in illnesses and in chronic illnesses as well. So here are some other strategies that you can do. But just before we get started, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please support the channel. We do daily videos talking about health, wellness, and tips and tricks that have been proven through clinical trials. And let's get started. Now, a couple of things that you need to make sure in terms of your diet. What are the things that you should eat? Well, basically, common sense is fresh fruit and vegetables. You can use cooked, you can use raw. It usually doesn't matter in this case, but just make sure that when you are consuming specific vegetables such as the tomatoes, you consume as much cooked tomatoes as you can. Yes, there's no problem consuming raw tomatoes here and there, but make sure that the tomatoes are cooked, because they contain an enzyme that cannot be broken down in the stomach until it is cooked and it is better absorbed in the stomach. Too much raw tomatoes can cause problems and unbalances in the kidneys, causing kidney stones and other problems. So please be mindful. So when I say fruit and vegetable, I mean eating about 5 serves of vegetables and 2 serves of fruit of the day. The more the better. So this way is this is because they are a great important source of vitamins and minerals, everything from potassium, magnesium to fiber, everything that your arteries and your body needs. Another thing is porridge. Porridge is amazing. It does 2 things. What it does is it helps you to lower your blood pressure as well as your cholesterol levels, and this is basically shown in clinical trials. And it's really important because it's a great source of soluble fiber. This soluble fiber is known as beta-glucan. It's really important to start your day with porridge. If you want, please make sure it is organic. Please make sure to use some other type of sweetener other than white sugar for it, such as honey, such as stevia or maple syrup. Because white sugars, of course, they can cause you other problems as well. You need to cut back on alcohol. If you drink alcohol, it really does damaging effects, not only for your blood pressure, your body, in a spiritual way as well. It really does make you unable to process what you're going through on day to day. And I mean, heavy drinking as well is a problem here. So what that does is, because heavy drinkers tend to have high blood pressure, and this has been proven through clinical trials. Another thing is caffeine. So much studies all point to high blood pressure and excess caffeine consumption. Excess caffeine consumption is basically 5 cups of coffee a day or more, and this contributes to high blood pressure. Of course, the link to all the studies that we talked about will be in the description box below. You can check it out after this video. So please cut back on the caffeine or take decaffeinated drinks. These were the most important 4 strategies and dietary changes for people with high blood pressure. If you enjoyed today's content, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.